In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video link creatively within an email using Microsoft Outlook. This process is simple yet effective for ensuring your recipients have easy access to video content. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Outlook. Make sure you're signed in and ready to create a new email. Once you're in Outlook, look for and click on the New Email button. This opens up a blank email where you can begin drafting your message. Now let's make your email visually appealing by embedding a video thumbnail image that links directly to your video. To do this, take a screenshot of the video you want to share. Make sure the screenshot is clear and visually represents the content of the video. Once you have your screenshot ready, paste it directly into the body of your email. This screenshot will serve as the visual point of interest that your recipients will see. Next, we want to add a play icon on top of the video screenshot, which users can click to access the video. Navigate to the Insert tab at the top of your email window. From there, click on Icons. This will open a library of different icons you can use. In the search bar, type Play to find play button icons. Choose a play button that you think looks good and insert it into your email over the screenshot. Resize and position the play icon so it's centered and visible on the screenshot. This step is important because it visually cues the recipient that this is a playable video link. To make the play icon functional, you'll need to add a hyperlink. Right-click on the play icon and select the link option from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear prompting you to enter a URL. Paste the link to your video in this field. It's important that this link directs the recipient to the exact location where the video is hosted, whether it's on YouTube, Vimeo, or any other platform. Once you insert the URL, click OK to apply the link. Now, when recipients receive your email and click the play icon, they will be automatically directed to the video. This method provides them with a seamless viewing experience and is much more engaging than sending plain text links. Finally, review your email to ensure everything looks professional and functions as intended. It's a good idea to test the link yourself by sending a draft to your email. This way, you can verify that the play button correctly redirects you to your video. And that's it. You're done. You've successfully embedded a link to your video using a screenshot and play icon in Microsoft Outlook. This technique is a fantastic way to enhance your email communications, making them interactive and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your video sharing endeavors.